contest is a six-man tag team match scheduled for one fall. Gluteus Maximage! And their tag team partner. Let's go! Let's move, baby! Let's go, guys! Let's go! Introducing their opponents. Landon and Robbie Hollywood, and the water way down. They're off, young, and wrestling.
Where's the outside? We had a puppy named it, that's all that counts! We got a puppy! Yeah! Get out there! Come on! Good try! Which corner are we in? No, let me in the corner. Get your corner. He's packing. Did you check him? He's packing something.
What?
Hey! That was the gun! That was the gun!
Have that gun.
How dare you not think of our safety?
There's 3 of them.
Yeah, and only one of them landed. Check his kickback.
Start on the apron.
Check him.
All of them.
I just want to fit it. That's all I want to do.
That's an inside joke.
Bro, I tried to. I'm sorry.
Yeah, what if he has one?
What if I have the gun?
That's right.
Hey, check that guy again. Which one? Check the guy that had the things in his pants.
Wait, that was me.
We're disappointed about it too, man. We got excited. Exactly. We're looking nice. Wait, BBL.
I'm sorry.
Ready. Ring the bell. I'm a California girl. I got this.
His bikini is not on top. You gotta pay for that. Bring it on, baby. Start this on Hot Hollywood. Hot, young, and reckless. Yeah. Oh, you're good? It is. We needed that 2 minutes ago. Hollywood, you gotta go. What you got, Jurgen? Pick him Yep. Bull. Oh, Stiffsky, bro. Come on. Go again. Go. Bring it. Ball. One more time. Go. Ball. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Go. Yes. Go.
Hey, not you.
Wife, you got glutes too.
Oh, she's got glutes. There it goes. Hey.
Why isn't this shirt plural?
Yeah.
One, kick out.
Yeah.
All right, come on, glute press one. Come on, glute press one. You can grow them. Boom! You can squat right now.
Rip his shirt off.
Hey!
Wayne. Got him. There it is. Squish.
Squish him!
Get him.
Do it in California.
attack.
Yeah.
Attack. Oh.
Kick out! Man, don't let Big B and B beat you. Come on, Hollywood! Get out of there! I need a sleeper glue. Kick! You can't see him. Stop talking to Robbie like that. Get here, Hollywood. I'm right here. Reach. He's got a fake BBL.
Yeah, BBL. Hey. Take over.
This isn't California.
Crap, come on, you count this? Two in there.
Guys, one in there.
Yep.
One in, one out. What?
Hollywood.
What?
Kick out. Come on, Hollywood. Reach. What are they doing? Get him out of that corner, Raph. Come on.
Guys, come on, one in, one out.
He's holding a child, Raph. Come on. Three. All three. Give us a second. Cheating, Raph.
What?
Oh, come on. Come on. That's my move.
1, 2,
Come on,
make some
Hollywood.
noise for some glutes. Let me hear you.
Go, Robbie! Come on, Robbie! Let's run it back. Get out of this, Hollywood. Come on. Again? Get out! Come on, there it is. Get away! Body slam! There it is, Wade. Slam him! Slam him! Oh, yeah. There you go. Oh! Kick out of that, Jurgen. Come on. Pin him! Come on.
Let's go.
Yikes! Yeah! Yikes!
Get over the ring, Robbie.
What did you do? Yeah! You moved! I knew shit! Jelani!
What are you doing?
Jelani's too big! Jelani!
Come in here.
Prove yourself!
You got glutes?
Wait yourself! Wait, defend!
Probably do the same thing I am.
Hit him! Hit him!
Oh, no. No, sir.
Hit him! Do it!
Off the rope. Hey!
Get up, Hollywood!
That's concrete, guys.
Here are your winners, the team of Landon and Robbie Hollywood, and hot, young, and restless!
Stop! I realize this. Why didn't you get it? Out of our ring! I want this dog! Because I'm Batman! California girls, baby! I'm awful.